Here we have a system of two linear equations. In the given system of equations, R is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of R? Okay, before we start solving the problem, let's understand a concept. Let me consider a system of two linear equations in standard form, that is a1x positive b1y equals to c1. Okay, in this linear equation, we have both x term and y term on the left side of the equation, constant on the right side. So this linear equation is in standard form. Now let me write the other linear equation in standard form, that is a2x positive b2y equals to c2. Okay, now let me get the ratio of the coefficients of x, then we get a1 over a2, and ratio of the coefficients of y, then we get b1 over b2, the ratio of the constant terms c1 over c2. Okay, if this system of two linear equations in standard form has no solution, then the ratio of the coefficients of x, the ratio of the coefficients of y must be equal, and both these ratios will not be equal to the ratio of the constant terms. Okay, now we can apply this stuff in our problem, because here we have a system of two linear equations and the system has no solution. And if I want to apply this stuff over here in our problem, both the linear equations in the given system must be in standard form. Okay, now let me take the first one and write that one in standard form. Okay, that is 48x and negative 64y equals to 48y positive 24. Okay, now to get this one in standard form, we need the x term and y term on the left side of the equation, constant on the right side. Okay, let me subtract 48y from both sides of this equation. Then this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting 48x. When I combine these two, I am getting negative 112y. On the right side, we have 24. Now I got the first equation in standard form. Okay, let me take the second equation, that is ry equals to 1 over 8 negative 12x. Let me add 12x to both sides of the equation. Then this negative 12x, positive 12x will cancel out. We get 12x positive ry on the left side. On the right side, we have 1 over 8. Now I got the second equation in standard form. Let's get the ratio of the coefficients of x, that is 48 over 12. Now let's get the ratio of the coefficients of y. Then we have negative 112 divided by r. And the ratio of the constant terms is 24 divided by 1 over 8. As we have discussed over here, when the system has no solution, the ratio of the coefficients of x and the ratio of the coefficients of y must be equal, and both these ratios will not be equal to the ratio of the constant term. Okay, now let's consider this equation and solve for r in this equation. Let me write this equation as it is, that is 48 over 12 equals to negative 112 over r. Okay, here 12 goes into 12 one times and 12 goes into 48 4 times. And also let's multiply both sides of the equation by r. Then this r will cancel out. On the left side we have r times 4. It can be written as 4r. On the right side we have negative 112. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. I am getting r on the left side. When I divide negative 112 by 4, I am getting negative 28. Here I got the value of r, that is negative 28.